Good afternoon, everyone. Today I'm gonna be showing, doing troubleshooting on my Kia Optima. It's not my car, it's my friend's car. His car broke down back up, up the hill, so we have to push out of the road, and then we left it here overnight. What happened was his Kia Optima, a 2012 Kia Optima 4-cylinder engine, it just cut off on him for no reason. He just freaked out like a lady. And he called me, he said, I need a jump. So I came over and gave him a jump, but the battery is not a it doesn't seem to be the problem. So I checked everything in here, and I even gave him a jump. I put a new battery. It still won't start. So I'm gonna get to the point for you why it's not starting. But my case could not be 100%. Maybe everybody might have different problem, but this is my story. So what happened was, we put the new battery in there, and it still won't start. So I put the old battery in there. I thought it was alternator, or I thought it was the battery. It was bad. So it turned out he's got some kind of crazy issue with this car. So this is how you do it, okay? Right now I put the old battery in there, so at least the car can run and charge the battery, because we will try to crank it so many times and it killed the battery. So I just leave it there, let it charge. So this is what you got to do. What you do is you turn ignition all the way, but don't start, okay? Leave it there, and then you play with the you just play with the gearbox, back and forth, play with it, okay? Go D, go R, whatever you gotta do, just play with it, and then put back on park, and then try to start it, and it works. It just start right back on. That's crazy. And he have a problem with his air filter. He never cleaned his air filter. That's another problem. And when I hit the gas pedal, it was shaky like crazy. And so I opened his air filter. It was so damn dirty. So I took that off. And now I hit the gas pedal, I don't have that problem anymore. It won't stalling anymore. Before it was stalling like crazy. It's like almost cut down. So that's the problem. But this is not the problem where why the engine shut down on you, though. That's another problem. I don't know what that problem is, but I don't know, maybe this is the cause. There might be this, because his ass is so dirty, never clean. He doesn't take care of his car. So if you have that problem, make sure you check your air filter, okay? Check the battery, check whatever. Do the jumping start. See if it held you first, and then check that, and then do like I just did. Turn the ignition all the way, but don't start, and play with this, okay, for a few seconds, and then put back to park, and then start it, and it will work. So I put his old battery in there. It's still shaky a little bit. She stay shaky a little bit. He need to tune up something. Look like he never did any tune up since he got this car. Let me take out for drive. I hope it don't die on me. Maybe around the mall here. So at least the die in there, I just leave it there. 2012 Kia Optima. So it start now. I clear his engine light. It's gone. Well, thank you for washing, okay? This is the problem with it. Is either air filter or the battery or alternator. It's hard to tell. But if you have the same issue with mine, what you do is, if you have the power, right? Everything is good with the battery and everything with the alternator, stuff like that. All you do is turn the key all the way to the end, but don't start. And then play with the gearbox back and forth for a few seconds, and then put back to park, and then try to start it. It will help. Trust me, it worked with me. And after that, I took that off. That wasn't off yet when I got that start. But then I hit the gas pedal. It was like the engine seemed like it's gonna cut off on me. So that's probably the problem, because basically it blocked the air injector. So keep that clean, and that might help you. Thank you for washing.